Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institute.
In this video, see about quick lifting screw jack using spur gear arrangement. The main obstacle of the project is hand operated screw jacks are very difficult to lift. High effect is needed. So we designed quick lifting screw jack using spur gear arrangement. This project spur gear is used to lift the screw jack. DC motor is connected to the spur gear arrangement to the screw jack. By the help of DC motor, jack is lifted. In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.